What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham. And this guy to my left is very happy. And that's because of the LA Tenorio game. At kung nakita nyo yung thumbnail, may asim pa si LA and definitely Game 6. Ito yung script ni Graham. Kung tatanungin nyo si Graham, Graham, anong script gusto mo mangyari sa Game 6? Ito yun. May game winner na mangyayari. But did he know na it was gonna be LA Tenorio? No one ever did except Coach Tim Cohn with the trust on LA. We even questioned bakit wala si Stephen Holt in some of the closing minutes up until the very yung mga last seconds of the Stephen Holt. But what a game para sa mga kabarangay, mga Cubs. I'm sure you guys are incredibly happy sa nangyari. Let's first give credit to LA Tenorio, and then after that, out of the five starters played really well. And then we're gonna discuss what needs to improve for both Barangay Ginebra and also the San Miguel Beermen heading into the crucial Game 7, which is gonna be on Wednesday sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. And sana makakuha kami ng tickets for that.
Kala ko sasabihin ni Nico, 4 out of the 5 starters played well. So after we talk about that, we'll talk about the one who didn't.
We are gonna talk about that.
Kala ko dyan tayo
You wanna
pupunta.
start?
We are gonna... So pag-uusapan natin yung hindi nag-perform, blank.
Okay,
We're
okay.
gonna... Wait lang, si ano muna, si
Si Graham
Cliente
na, si
muna.
Graham na.
Graham,
He's
ikaw
been
muna.
waiting. He's been waiting for
Wait. Guys, follow the Instagram of the Six Man Podcast. It is, in-upload namin dun yung raw reaction ni Graham after the game-winning shot of LA Tenorio. It's _ Six Man Podcast. Again, at _ Six Man Podcast for your
Nico
real,
will put it somewhere there. 6 man.
ano.
Ayun, sabi nila.
Lalagay ko dito sa gitna, lalagay ko dyan sa gitna. Okay. Graham,
Sabi
go.
nila, men don't cry when real men cry. It was something as objectively though. Ginebra played bad. Like Ginebra
Actually, they played bad.
really like this is a game. If anyone else did the heroic part outside of LA Tenorio, they did not deserve to win the game. But since it was LA, then we're gonna give it to him and we're gonna give it to them. It was something that sinugal na lang ni Coach Tim eh. Na nothing is
I would say
going.
sugal nga yun.
RJ was struggling. Mav was a non-factor. So, sino pa ba, di ba? I mean, Mid, sure. Di ba? Pinto, sure. But
Sure.
LA was the guy na sanay sa ganung moments eh. And true enough, di ba? There were a couple of possessions, shot lock down to 4, shot lock down to 3. He found the way to score or get it to someone else, like Scotty Thompson underneath to cut the lead down to 2, I think. So it's if you think about it, it's really simple, di ba? It's no brainer. Ba't yung pinapasok sa LA? Because he's the most intelligent person in the lineup, di ba? But matanda na kasi siya and he's coming off a significant hurdle sa kanyang buhay. But you know, pinag-uusapan nga natin, he may contemplate on retiring, di ba? He may be closer to a coach than a player.
Yeah. Pinag-usapan nga natin yun.
Shut up tonight, 6-man pod. Like, he showed up, and he showed up big time. That I don't think we'll be able to see an LA performance like that again in these playoffs.
Yeah.
That was enough to give them a little breathing room. Parang pag nanood ka ng TV series, let's say Prison Break, di ba? Yung ida doon si Schofield, malapit na siyang mahuli. Yun yung Ginebra, tambak sa San Miguel, di ba? Malapit na siyang mahuli ng mga umabol sa kanya kasi tumak siya sa kulungan. And then, nakahanap yung butas. Pero nasundan siya sa butas. So, lumamang ulit yung San Miguel. And then, in the end, nakatakas pa rin siya because of his smarts and his heroics. And that's how I felt the whole game. Like, parang para sa amin to, pero parang hindi.
Yeah.
We were down 60, we took the lead. They went up by 9 or 10. We came crawling back. CJ Perecita layup, and then LA just sitting in the air. I'm just so happy, man. My whole family is happy. Like
7 of you guys watched.
In case you
Yung
guys
buong
don't
angkan
know.
niya, bro.
In case you
were
guys
seven.
don't-
We were 7. And
7.
hindi na kami sa Cubao kumain eh kasi alam mo naman crowded, 'di ba? On our way to Robinson's Galleria, we never talked about anything else but the game, bro. And that includes 2 full-grown mother with us. So, I'm just so happy. Go ahead, guys. Like, utangan nyo ngayon. I'll probably give you some money. Go ahead, Mario.
Sige. Mamaya.
Ano yun? Paulit nga nun? Naka-record yun, di ba?
Naka-record yung
Uy, ka
ulit-ulitin.
naman.
Try me,
Oh,
try me, try
oh,
me,
guys, yung mga
5,000
mag-comment,
mamaya.
yung mga early commenters namin dyan, narinig nyo yun.
try me.
Narinig nyo yun, ha?
Tayo
Anyway,
daw ata.
ito sasabihin ko, the reason why pito yung pumunta sa Araneta kanina sa pamilyang Esber is because Ginebra will win Game 7. Di ba, Graham?
Nako po. Yan na, yan na. Isim.
Here, ito yung sasabihin ko, man. Um, alam mo yung some winning heals everything. Winning heals absolutely everything. And by the way, hi guys, I'm here.
Oh, welcome back,
Pinaglalakad
welcome
ah.
back, welcome
Pinaglalakad
back.
si
Nice to see
Mario
you
ah.
back.
Ayun,
Hindi na siya
winning
naglalakad.
heals. Share ko lang ha, yung dalawang episode na wala ako, talo Hinebra nun.
Oh, actually, o nga, no? Graham, o nga, no? It's all about Mario din. Invite ka nila sa likod ng bench nila para manalo sila.
If Hinebra, any Hinebra players watching the game, man, I'm watching this pod, if you want to send us
Ay, shoutout Ben Adamos na nakita ni Mario sa Burger King.
Sim, dude, Sim, man.
And nakita niya si Adamos 30 minutes after game 5.
Oh, after game,
Bilis na.
bilis na. Siguro naliligo pa kaya yung mga ganun, yung mga hindi pa nalang.
Ako di ako maliligo. Siguro sa bahay na ako maliligo. Sa bahay na ako maliligo. Hindi ako sa maliligo sa Araneta. Oh.
Going back to the game. Alam mo yung healing heals everything? Kasi, sa totoo lang guys, yung the GC between me, Nico, and Graham before LA Tenorio hit that shot was completely different than what we were talking about right now. We were talking about who to change. We were talking about players to give up on. We were talking about coaching systems that need to be changed. But man, LA Tenorio, bro. Alam mo yung nung binitaw nung tinira niya yung three-pointer. Alam mo papasok eh. It's like, yeah, dude, if somebody's gonna make the shot right now, it feels like the script is here for Ginebra to make it LA Tenorio. And grabe yung moment, bro. I don't want to go into the negatives just yet. I want to talk about these positives first, man. Pero
Positives mo na.
grabe yung moment na yun, bro. Like, you could see it sa crowd, sa bench ng Ginebra. Even Stephen Holt, I don't think Stephen Holt expected the shot to go in. Did you see his face?
Di niya rin
After it
na-expect.
went in?
Alam mo yun.
He was like, Stephen
Okay.
made a face, dude. Dude, I think Scotty was on the verge of tears when LA made the shot. It felt like that. I was like, oh my god.
Si Scotty, si Ralph, umiiyak. Parang lahat. Parang ano na eh.
Okay, we saw
Actually, kuya nga
we saw
nila.
Coach Tim smile. We saw Coach
Never,
Tim
that guy
smile.
never smiles.
He smirked a little bit. He was like, oh my god, did actually do it? I don't know if the play was really meant for LA. I don't know. I don't think it was either. I think it was meant for Scotty to drive and probably attack the rim or
Ande
something
na
like
eh. They
that.
had to improvise na.
But man, when Scotty saw his kuya in the outside the open arc, man, he's like, nah, dude, I want that shot. And here's this whole thing about people who will say na bigayan to and everything. Bigayan to, bigayan yan. Dude, that's a tough shot, guys. That's a very hard shot. If Elite Roy doesn't make that shot, Ginebra probably loses the game. End of the right? Right? They would have probably lost it. And if SMB really wanted to give away a game, brother, Rodney Brondial wouldn't have gone. Rodney Brondial turned into prime Andre Drummond, man. I'll talk about Rodney later. But dude, aside from LA, Scotty Thompson almost had a 2020.
Wow.
Yeah. Yun nga, 17 and 16 si Scotty.
2020, brother. As a guard, man. Troy
8
Rosario,
assists.
man, for me, Troy Rosario deserves the most credit out of everybody on Ginebra's roster. Because, man, I don't know how or why, but he's been the best defender on Junmar Fajardo the whole series.
Right.
Even if Junmar had 20 and 20, I'm not gonna lie, bro. If Troy wasn't defending him, he might have 40 and 20. He might have 40
He
and
was the
20.
shoutout player. Kasi diba, when you watch live, there's a best player of the game na nando sa
Yeah.
media. And then there's a shoutout player of the game. Usually the second best player of the game. And
Yeah.
it was Boy.
Has to be.
Whatever, if I may add.
Yeah, dude, absolutely has to be. And it's kind of crazy that shot went in, guys. It genuinely feels a bit wow. Alam mo yun, yung parang di mo it feels like again those moments when Coach Tim finds some old man on the bench and says, "Hey man, I need you to win me a game one more
Can you
time.
bail me out?
Yeah, I
Sabi
can
ni
you
LA,
bail me
ako
out
bahala,
one more
coach.
time, man.
Yung ginamit mo na example to, the JJ Hildebrand birthday
Exactly. The JJ game, the birthday JJ birthday, JJ Hellman birthday
against
game.
Meralco, down 16 to start the fourth.
Yep, that's the one. And then it's on and hey, just saying they won the championship that year.
Yeah.
Just say.
But
Pero hindi
and
TNT kalaban niya nun.
man, it
So,
wasn't even just that shot, huh? 11 in the fourth.
11.
11 in the fourth.
All of his points were in the fourth.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the Kawhi
and
Leonard shot, di ba? Doon nag-start yun eh.
yeah,
Yung-
doon nag-start
Yeah,
yung
yung nag-roll na parang hindi ko
Parang,
na-get yung
I was,
physics ng
I was
bola
in
na
my
yun. Di
seat
ba,
na
Mario?
parang
Parang
down,
guma nun.
they're
it
down
was
9
on
eh.
the yeah, it was
They're down
on the
9
edge of the rim, and you're like,
Oh,
oh, that's not going in.
okay.
I
Then
was
biglang
also at the edge
bumalik.
of my seat. I was also at the edge of my seat na,
Is that going in?
okay, down to 6, down to 6.
Dude,
Yeah, so
and
that's sabi mo.
grabe, you can see it in the emotions that LA did, man. I think that was my favorite part of this whole moment, of seeing it on the face of LA Tenorio after he made the shot, after they won the game. Man, after they won the game, the praise on LA Tenorio was incredible from the Ginebra bench.
Oo.
And this is just something on my personal thought process. But dude, if Ginebra does win the championship, and Nico actually told us this in the group chat, if Ginebra
Babalik
does
dito.
win the championship, babalik ka dito sa laro na to. And
Sa
if
game
you
6.
ask
It
me,
was
man,
game 6.
yeah, if you're LA Tenorio, there's no better moment to end your career on than remembering the fact that you actually, without this shot or without this moment, Ginebra doesn't win a championship, diba? So,
Oo.
like,
Guys, if I may add, before the possession, the Ginebra possession before that, wala siya sa court. Di ba? Pinalitan mo siya kay Jamie eh.
yeah.
Pinalit lang siya, yeah. Exactly.
Di ba? So, it was RJ who had the ball, chance to take the lead, di ba? Down 1.
Yeah.
And then he threw it away. And
Yeah.
then the next day, after Junmar,
He just threw it. Oh,
and you know why? That's why I was really praying at that time. Hindi ko naman tatago na yung never gusto ko panalo, di ba? I was praying at that time, if Junmar will miss a free throw, sana yung una. Kasi pag yung sinablay niya yung pangalawa, Ginebra can call a timeout, di ba?
Yeah.
So they have to go with the guys that they have, and they only have 4 guys because Jamie Malonzo is a freaking libero for SMB. So he was something else tonight. But man,
libero.
I was in my seat. I was in my seat. The angle that I was seeing, the ball had enough arc. So it's a matter of it being short or long. Bro, when it came in, it was
Gitnang-gitna. It's all net. Di ba?
No,
Hindi na...
gitnang-gitna, and it's just so remarkable that he had the guts to take that shot. Wala na naman ang other option eh.
Yeah.
Diba?
Wala na nga. Na-deny na all other options.
When people were saying, oh, bakit hindi ka test ni Jericho Cruz? Because Jericho Cruz did not think that LA will take that.
Hindi yan. Jericho Cruz din natin.
Ginagamit nila yung nasa rest defense na bigayan eh.
Let's not pretend that Jericho Cruz didn't defend the shot, man.
Diba?
He was there.
He was
right
there. There was
He
just enough space for LA to hoist it up. Nandun siya. It's not like
He
he's hindi siya bumaba. Hindi naman siya nagstand. Sag eh.
Bro, LA naman was 1 foot in front of the 4-point line. You don't really expect
right.
LA Tenorio to shoot that shot. Anyway, I forgot to add this thing. Oh dang. Oh man, every time I'm on this, I keep forgetting the things I'm about to say.
Okay lang. Kaya nga nandito kami.
It happens a lot. Sorry guys. But aside from this thing, I want to talk about SMB. Brother,
Yes, SMB.
we have to give SMB full credit. I want to give SMB full credit. Because man, you should have won this game.
Yeah.
Plain and simple, this was SMB's game already.
They let go of 2 games. Games
Wait.
1.
If I may add muna,
Wala.
this would have been SMB's game if CJ Perez didn't shoot that 4-pointer with up 86-85 with 14 seconds left on the shot clock. And tayo, Mario, diba, we're watching online and you can hear Coach Ronnie Magsanok's like, why? Wow.
Dude,
Diba? Those are the exact words. Why? Wow.
yeah. Medyo naalala ko na yung sinabi yung sasabihin, which is in line with this. Ang maraming tao nagsasabi na SMB, CJ Perez sucks for SMB. And today they're gonna have a field day. Kasi man, last
5 for 22. My goodness.
3 possessions, I think, were all CJ 4-point shots.
CJ, ano no? What the hell? What
Man,
the heck are you
pati yung
doing?
dulo. Pati yung dulo. 3 seconds, you're telling me the best shot you can take is a step back? Come on, man.
Woo.
Ginebra has no rim protector in the game because Japet Aguilar sucked eggs again. Like,
May,
man.
may injury ba si
And he was
Japs?
injured. He
Meron.
was injured.
He's hurt.
Ayun,
He's
yeah,
actually,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Got cramps,
he was
diba?
being attended to. He was being attended to by the PT.
Yeah,
So
he got cramps. I saw.
when the league, actually mukhang hindi siya cramps eh.
Real?
Something worse. I think something worse, no, Graham?
Hopefully not. Hopefully cramps lang because wala ako sa court side. I was in the lower back section. But bro,
Okay
he was
naman,
being
ganda-ganda
attended
sa his
to.
lower box.
Yeah, that's true pero hindi mo maririnig, di ba? Hindi ka makakalapit.
Exactly, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So he was being attended to and Coach Tim wanted it to come in like 3 times and hindi siya umaabot because he can barely get to the official's table. So that's something concerning heading into Game 7 actually. The reason na umabot siya nung last possession is that's coming off a timeout. And I
Yeah,
was
so yeah, the
worried
time.
na he may commit a silly foul, which by the way he did a good job in the second half not doing.
Yeah.
So close to Japet again. By the way, who outdid himself from Game 5 up 3 rebounds, Game 5, Game 6 4 rebounds. Good job, Japet. There you go, man.
Okay, yeah. Ito, dagdagan ko rin ko. I want to ask you both this question.
Yes.
Was it the proper choice for SMB to give Junmar the ball for the free throws? Think about who was on that court, ha? Think about who else was on that court. That was a Marshall Lassiter, Wami Chongson, I think that was Don Troliano, and CJ Perez. Was Junmar Fajardo the proper option for SMB to shoot those free throws?
If that's what the defense gave you, then yes.
Oh.
But you could have gotten the ball. I mean, a play could have been designed. A better play could have been designed for Wami to get it or
Yeah, I think somebody else.
for Marshall.
Yeah.
Mario, binibigyan mo naman ng window yung mga nagsasabing bigayan eh. Na parang,
Binibigay
No, because I was surprised it got to Junmar. Because if you ask me, ha, CJ Perez was open to get the ball, man. CJ was open.
Kakasabi lang natin, si CJ's been breaking the bad,
Brother,
the bad.
yeah,
Bibigay kay
pero-
CJ. I will give it to Junmar. And knowing Coach Leo, he's gonna give it to Junmar.
Brother, you also have. I thought. I get what you guys are talking about.
Yeah,
naman.
yeah. Gets mo naman, diba? Kay Coach
Ito
Leo.
naman, I
Yeah,
wouldn't-
he's gonna go to Junmar.
Hey, man. Again, how many did Junmar have? 20 and 20? Sorry.
21 and 16, bro.
21 and 16.
Well,
Nothing, yeah.
offensive rebounds.
Grabe offensive rebounds, Junmar, no? But I want to give credit to Rodney Brondial also, bro.
Yeah.
There was a
Bagay na bagay
moment.
talaga with Junmar.
There was a moment where Rodney Brondial ended Ginebra's season.
12 and 12.
Di ba? Pero,
Sabi nga, sabi
I was
mo,
like,
diba, I'm dead. I'm dead. Rodney Brondial ended our season.
Yeah.
12 and 12 siya. Ganda ng
Like,
laro.
brother, many people can end Ginebra's season. Junmar, fine. CJ, fine. Marshall, fine.
How about
Jericho,
Wami? How about Wami?
Hey,
man. Hey.
many people could end Ginebra's season and I'll accept it. But if Rodney Brondial ends Ginebra's season, my God.
I really hope, this is as an aside, and then we can go back to the conversation. I really hope that next conference, ang kun na important na sa si EJ Anosike so I can see
Hey!
with Wami and EJ Anosike.
Please.
Wami and EJ!
You don't
That's the
understand.
Raymond Aguilar, Nards Pinto, but their version. They are the system. That is our system.
Oh my God, CJ, ano sige ka, man.
Oh, teka lang. More on SMB.
Dude, SMB again, like I said, should have
Yeah,
won this game 100%. There were moments where they really should have had this game in the bag. Where last game Jericho Cruz absolutely went off. Today he was playing a good game. Marami talagang tauhan yung SMB, bro. Admittedly, SMB can play 9 strong. And if you ask me, Ginebra can play 6 or 7 strong lang. Yung talagang confident ako makapaglaro. So again, heading into Game 7, because that's where I can... sorry, I forgot to talk about my negatives. Never mind. I'll go into the heading into Game 7. Heading into Game 7, man, I'll start with SMB first. If you're SMB, man, if I'm being completely honest, you don't really have to do much different.
Yeah.
I don't think you have to do anything different, man. You had 2 games in the bag, by the way, if you're SMB.
1 and 6.
Yeah, and those come back to haunt you. We saw it in the Ross TNT series, which we'll talk about in the next video.
Yeah.
Click here. Oh, click here.
Click here.
Yeah. I mean, there are moments where hindi mo talaga, like, may moment that could come back to bite you. And this one could be the one to bite you. Again, if you're SMB, it could be game 1, could be game 6. But either way now, it is now going to 7 games. And if you ask me, this is the worst possible scenario if you're the SMC Corp.
That
This
is
is the
right.
Pagod
worst
na pagod
possible.
sila. TNT's in the finals. Rest for Pogoy,
TNT's
Kelly.
already lying down, dude. Our Pogoy has been
Gana.
resting since game 3.
Actually, oh nga, no. He's well
Pogoy's
rested.
been resting. They could have used it. If there was a game 7 between Ross and TNT, Pogoy plays that. But because there's none, and he's been resting his ass down for the longest time, you're
That's
probably
right.
getting a healthy RR Pogoy heading into the finals, man.
That's right. That
Wait,
is
dagdag ko lang rin, no? RJ should make LA Tenorio his ninong, no? Because I remember
he
that
already
pass. That was a bad pass that could have altered
bad.
how this would have ended to Scotty, di ba?
Could
Yun yung
have.
parang,
Hindi siya could have, pre should have.
it could,
RJ
should, it would have, as a, it would have, it's gotta be a
That's
memorable,
everything right there.
unmemorable night for him. If hindi pumasok yung tres ni LA.
That's where I wanted to go.
Learning pains talaga for RJ as a rookie. Oo.
That's where I wanted to go na. If you're Jin, what needs to happen in Game 7 is RJ Barrientos and Jamie Malonzo snap out of anything or everything that is currently troubling them right now. Because, man, SMB is daring you to shoot right now if you're Jamie Malonzo.
They are nga.
Man, they're leaving him wide open.
He's 1
And
for
like,
14 pala, Mario. 1 for 14 si Jamie.
And what I hate, if pwede ako sumingit, is when he gets the ball, mag-hesitate muna siya. Guys, that's the number 1 rule to miss the shot. Diba? You don't go straight up kasi nasisira na yung balance ng when you're a shooter, you shoot it right away. You don't think twice. If you're gonna think twice, then ipasa mo na. Diba? That's what I hated. He had like 5 of those na parang, okay, get the ball. Am I gonna take it? Pag may lumapit tsaka may titira, who are you? Who are you, Jamie, to do that? Diba? So, no, stop that. And that's why I said, heading into this game, I think Mac should start along with Scotty. And then Jamie and RJ will lead the bench of the Gen Kings. Now, Coach Tim will not do that because of matchups. And I totally understand. But it's just something to think about na parang, okay. But ang problema dun, they're both struggling. So pag pinagsabay mo na dalawa, that's SMB.
both have a stinker, bro. It's done.
Hirap nun, men. Dalawa na ulit.
Both of them got a stinker, man. And ayun, right? Again, same as RJ Barrientos. Brother, you've had one good game this whole series. I know there are many RJ fans out there, man. And this is part of the growing pains of a rookie.
Yeah. So rookie,
But
wag natin kalimutan na
Ginebra
rookie nga
rookie,
siya.
by the way.
A Ginebra rookie. That is not wrong. Many Ginebra rookies have come and tried and failed, man. Tate Todoro has tried.
Forrester.
James Forrester has tried. Ano pa nun yung naging engineer?
Si Jet Manuel.
Jet Manuel has tried. Many rookies have tried in Ginebra, and I would say not many were as trusted as RJ Barrientos.
Iba naman yung RJ. Iba naman.
So, iba talaga yung tiwala ni Coach Tim. Bro, imagine this, man. LA Tenorio was having the game of his last in the year 2025. It was his best game in 3 years or something. And Coach Tim still trusted RJ to play over LA in those final moments before LA.
Iwala yun, yeah.
So, Coach Tim has all the faith in you. The Barangay Ginebra community has not lost any faith in RJ Barrientos, even if he has struggled. But man, in that game 7, SMB, I forgot to bring up something, but I'll bring it up after. I'll bring it up after that. Pero in that game 7, I don't think there's any chance that SMB is gonna come out slow. I don't think Ginebra has at all. If SMB goes out to a big lead, I don't think Ginebra can make a comeback in game 7. So, from the start, man, medyo, I think agree kami ni Graham dito na RJ and Jamie, and I will say it because I have to, Japet Aguilar, even Japet's been having on and off games. There are days where he looks.
At yung injury nga kanina, na hindi tayo sure how bad it is.
And that's gonna be big, ah.
It's gonna be big.
Yeah. Me, Graham, and Nico can shit on Japet all you want, but at the end of the day, we know how
Kailangan
important
talaga.
David Aguilar's
We need
body
him,
is, man.
diba? We need him at the end of the day. And
Yeah.
he did so well in the second half. I understand Junmar will get his numbers because he's Junmar.
John,
Pero
GOAT.
he entered, yeah, he's the GOAT. He entered the third quarter, si Japet, with 3 fouls. He exited the game. He ended the game with 3 fouls.
Yeah.
He was
But he
able
barely played the
Na-control
fourth.
niya nga.
na-control niya. And that's the thing, di ba? If you can only do that for 48 minutes, kayo ni Troy, and si Troy parang naaawa na lang kasi when Junmar gets lost, then so who else is gonna guard him, di ba, si Troy?
Yeah.
But man, you have to give credit where credit is due. He was there to protect the rim, di ba, si Japet. He had, of course, some Japet experiences, but it doesn't outweigh what he
Yeah,
did.
today he
Japet Aguilar experience.
Yeah, that's true, di ba? So, yeah,
That's a shirt right there.
have to be better. Bro, Raymond Aguilar scored, by the way, our key indicator that Ginebra will win if Raymond Aguilar
Aguilar
plays
scored.
in
Yeah.
the ano.
Genuine question. Man, di ba kayo nakakaawa kay Troy Rosario? Ever since he got to Ginebra, we've been putting him on the most outrageous people on earth for him to defend.
But
We
he
put
still
him-
excels. He
We
still
put
gets
him
those
on
extra
RH, we put
boards.
him on Rondae Hollis Jefferson and said, Troy, please save us. We put him on Junmar Fajardo and said, Troy, please save us.
Tingin niyo kung hindi siya injured.
Oy. Yan na naman tayo. Oy, Mario, wala na tayo dyan, ah.
Yeah.
Wala na
No,
tayo
but
dyan, ah.
guys, one last thing about SMB. Of course, I'm going with Ginebra in Game 7. But this is, I think, Junmar is like 90% to 95% healthy now.
Wait lang ah. He's not. He's not.
Really?
He was walking
Eh.
bad kanina.
Really, I
Hmm.
didn't notice. I didn't notice.
Masama ano niya. With the
Wow.
weird gait. He has a weird
Well,
gait a
ito
while
na
ago.
naman yung 2-day break na importante.
Actually, tara na naman.
The game is going to be on Wednesday. So,
Patay.
Still, yeah.
Patay. Sa Araneta pa.
Here's the only thing that I'm gonna ask. To whoever thinks na mangialam sa Game 7, don't let the best team face TNT. I understand.
Wala mangyayala. Wala yan. Wala yan.
Ginebra was defeated twice, but it wasn't like how
Dali play ni Graham. Give us a chance.
yeah.
One
That's
more.
right, because right
Isa na
now,
lang. Isa na lang.
that's right. Because if
Please,
you mind,
Please, Dad. One more try.
please, Daddy, let me drive the Porsche one more time. If
Sabi
If-
the first
you
one.
should mind,
You
should be
crushed it 2
SMB.
times. One more
Diba?
time.
It should be SMB if you use your mind. But Ginebra has a chance. I know wala si Brownlee pero wala rin naman si RHJ and the other team is depleted. So,
Naku, ilang beses natin sinabi yung depleted na sa TNT and yet
bumabalik na nga
And
yung player eh. No? But please, if the team that wins Game 7 is the best team to send in the finals and that happens naturally, I'm good with it. I'm not, of course, nadamdamin ko if Ginebra loses, especially in close fashion, but that's fine. I just don't want to see a blowout, man. A 28
Oh yeah,
point game.
no, yeah. Well, I don't think we're gonna see a blowout. It's gonna be close on Wednesday. I feel so.
Okay.
Yeah.